Hello everybody, Hashi Richards back with another video. So today I'm going to answer the question, Attorney Richards, who should I nominate to serve as my personal representative of my estate? So what is a personal representative? It's the person who will be administering your wishes in your will, right? So this person is in charge of paying all of your debts, paying any taxes you may owe, being responsible for distributing any gifts that you made, and making sure that all of your wishes that you have stated in your will are carried out in the way and in the manner that you want, right? So they're basically in charge of administering your estate after your passing. And so I often get the question, well, who should I pick? Who should I nominate? So in Florida, this is governed by statute. And in Florida, they tell you who is not qualified to serve, right? And so if they are a resident of Florida, right, they can should have not been convicted of a felony, have to be at least 18 years old, and have to have the mental and physical capability, right, to be able to serve in this personal representative capacity, right? So you can't be convicted of a felony, you can't be under 18, and you have to have the mental and physical capability to be able to serve as a personal representative. And so you don't necessarily have to be a relative. So you can be an unrelated person if you reside in Florida. Again, this is just Florida law. If you live in another state and you happen to be watching, you need to check with your own state because this is governed by state statute. And so every state is different. What if it's a non-resident? If it's a non-resident that you want to name, so a non-resident of Florida that you would like to name as personal representative of your estate. Well, there's a few different items under this rule, but basically, if they're a non-resident of Florida, they have to be related to you somehow. They call it by either blood relation, right? So, or a spouse. And I'm not going to go through all the intricacies of how they specifically state how they have to be blood related, but it's a brother, sister, nephew, niece, like all of these things in the statute. So just remember that if it's someone that you want to name outside of the state of Florida to be the personal representative, they have to be related to you in some way, some fashion, okay? If you have any questions on that, you can call my office, 407-476-5320. But you know, besides the relation and if they haven't been convicted, you have to pick someone that you've discussed this with, right? That they're willing to take on this monumental responsibility, right? So someone that's agreed to do it, someone that's willing to do it, someone that you trust, right? To manage your affairs, to be in the know of your personal affairs, right? And also someone that you believed to be responsible, fiscally responsible, organized, because it requires like multitasking, right, to be a personal representative. And you want to pick someone that will be able to do a really, really good job and handle your estate in a professional and respectful, dignified manner, right? Oh, also, you can also, if it's not a person, you can pick a corporate entity, right, like a bank or a trust company to be the personal representative. All right, so we'll be back again tomorrow with another video. Hope you enjoyed that. Please share this video if you found it helpful, and if you think that anyone else may find it helpful. All right, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.